A mathematician named Hippasus, who was a member of the Pythagorean school, c. 400 BCE, to explain why pi is irrational, he employed a brilliant technique called square root 2 proof by contradiction. Namely, we assume the opposite of what we want to prove and show that this assumption leads to a logical disaster. We assume the opposite of what we want to prove. Square root of 2 is rational. If it is rational, it can be written as a fraction. Square root of 2 equals a over b, where a and b are whole numbers, and the fraction is in its simplest form, meaning a and b share no common factors other than 1. Squaring both sides of the equation gives 2 equals a squared over b squared. Multiplying both sides by b squared gives 2b squared equals a squared. Contradiction. Because a squared is equal to 2b squared, a squared must be an even number. If the square of a number is even, the number itself must be even. Therefore, a is even. Since a is even, we can write it as 2k, where k is some integer. Plugging this back into our equation, 2b squared equals 2k squared. 2b squared equals 4k squared. Dividing both sides by 2 gives b squared equals 2k squared. This means b squared must also be an even number, which means b is even. Conclusion. We have just shown that both a and b are even numbers, meaning they can both be divided by 2. But this directly contradicts our very first assumption that the fraction a over b was in its simplest form. Because an assumption cannot be both true and false at the same time, the original assumption, that square root 2 is rational, must be false. Therefore, square root 2 is irrational.